In today's video, I am going to teach you how to redirect link to another page in Brevo after subscribing. This is a useful setting when you want to guide people to a specific destination right after they submit your marketing form. Instead of leaving them on a default thank you screen, you can send them to a page you choose, such as a confirmation page, a landing page, or any other URL you want. To get started, you will need to open Brevo and navigate to the right place where your forms are managed. Begin by going to Marketing Forms. Take a moment here to make sure you are viewing the forms list because this is where all your available forms are shown. Once you are on the forms page, you should be able to see the different forms you have created. Next, find the form that you want to modify. For the form you selected, click Edit next to it. This opens the form builder and settings for that specific form, so you do not have to change anything unrelated. As you click Edit, watch for the interface to load the form options because the available sections and settings will appear after the form editor opens. Now that you are inside the form editor, proceed through the steps to the Settings section. Depending on your layout, you may see a menu or navigation inside the editor. Move to Settings carefully since the redirect behavior is controlled there. This step matters because the Thank You page option is part of the form's configuration, not the general content area. Once you reach the Settings section, look for the Thank You page step. This is the part of the form that controls what happens after someone submits their information. In many setups, you will see this as a distinct setting or step within the settings area. Locate it and open the option so you can choose how the thank you experience works. After you find the thank you page step, select Display a custom page. This selection tells Brevo that you want to override the default behavior and show your own destination. Pay attention to the wording in the option you choose, because the custom page setting is what enables the URL field to appear and allows the redirect. With Display a custom page selected, you will now enter the full URL of the web page you want to redirect the user to. Make sure you enter the complete link, including the correct protocols such as HTTPS. This helps ensure the redirect works correctly for every user. Take a moment to double-check the URL for accuracy, because even small mistakes can prevent the redirect from reaching the intended page. Once the URL is entered, the next step is to confirm and finalize your changes. Click Next to finalize the changes and save the form. This may take you to a confirmation or summary view, depending on the editor flow. After you click Next, continue through to the Save action so Brevo stores your updated thank you page behavior. When the form is saved successfully, users who submit the form will be directed to the web page you specified. It is a simple change, but it can make your follow-up process feel more intentional and aligned with your marketing goals. If you want to test it after saving, you can submit the form in a way that verifies the redirect behavior, and that covers everything you need to know.